Hi, we're going to make the leaf rubbing take and make kit for November. If you open your box, you're going to find a bag of crayons. These are in fall colors, and some paper. This paper is really nice for making rubbings because it's thin, but you can use other types of paper if you like. And then the only other thing you need to do this, you need to go outside and find some leaves. Try to find different shaped leaves. The ones that have just fallen work a little better than dried leaves, but they both work fine. So pick a leaf and put a piece of paper over it, and then pick a crayon. Now you want to use the side of the crayon and not the point, so go ahead and peel some of this paper off. You can use crayons that you have at home if you like the colors better or if they're already peeled. And hold this tight or tape it down, and then rub your crayon over the leaf. And this is what you're going to get. You can use the same leaf and make different colored rubbings, or you can use two different colors on the same leaf. You can make a rainbow. You can do all kinds of creative things. There's a bigger piece of paper in here if you want to make a big picture, or you can maybe use this and make a frame out of the leaves and then put a picture of your family on the inside, or draw a picture of something you like on the inside. Whatever you like. Be creative and have fun. Bye, guys.